Hey Boredom Crafters, in today's video I'll be showing you a volcano experiment that will blow your mind. The first thing you'll need is something to contain the mess. You'll also need a cup or vase to act as your volcano. Into your cup or vase, put 2 to 3 tablespoons baking powder. Then you can add some glitter, this is optional. Mix the mixture well. Then add 6 to 7 drops food coloring. Now for the fun part. Add half cup vinegar to your mixture and watch what happens. Enjoy watching your volcano explode. You can also customize your volcano. Can you make it look like a galaxy explosion? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's experiment.